change the channel. Here, Dolly. See something that we're used to watching at night time, hey? Because it is nearly bedtime for you, Dolly. Is it nearly bedtime where you get to say goodnight to all the good people? Yeah? That's right. Good night, good people. Good night to all the good people. Right, I've got the TV up a tiny bit for you. How's that? So turn it off, that's a bit sad. Then you can't hear it, hey Dolly. We do love to watch. Well, I don't even know what's on right now. We've gone now. Yeah, the good people are on the TV, that's for sure. Yeah, he looks like a nice person. He looks like good people. Yeah, they look like fun people. They don't look like politicians or anything. Yeah, you having fun? You having fun with Nanny? Oh, it's called Impractical Jokers. Oh, it's one of those shows, Dolly, those funny shows. Oh, I see what it is. They have to tell them what to say, not to say. Oh, this is funny, Dolly. Yeah. Yeah, you're going to like this because it's funny. True story, Dolly. Anyway, would you like... Yes, true. The magpie has come to visit you a lot. And the other bird, the tawny frogmouth. Yeah, Dolly, you've got a few friends that come and visit you. Hey, you've taught a bird to wolf whistle outside, I'm sure. Yeah, because I've heard it and I know it's not you. Unless it's, I don't know. Could be just something that these birds decide to teach each other. Like, what? Whoa. So you're going to watch this with me, Dolly? Oh, time for a preen. Time for a preen. To look nice and clean. That's our Dolly. That's our Dolly.